Does your dog sneeze like this? Don't worry, it's usually harmless, but the real reason might surprise you. Play sneezing. Dogs sneeze to show excitement, especially during play. Dogs also sneeze to communicate. It's their way of saying calm down or let's keep it friendly. Dogs have powerful noses, so strong smells like perfume, dust, or cooking smoke can trigger sneezes. Sometimes it's just a tiny piece of dust, thread, or grass stuck in the nose. Or maybe your floor is just dusty. Don't worry. Same here. Some dogs sneeze when they want attention. Dramatic little actors.
Really, Aspie?